Hi, I am Mohammed Musthafa. I'm an author and agile coach. I lead the agile and DevOps transformation for TCS. Today we are going to talk about it. Today I have my colleagues Mani and Tabrez with me. We are TCS. We are a very successful company. We offer IT services and business solutions for many customers. It is a successful company, and you can see from the revenue graph of TCS for last 2 decades that it delivered outstanding positive increment only year on year. And we are a large company with 500,000 employees on its payroll. And how TCS is very successful? It always scans the horizon for any change and be prepared to embrace the change. In 2017, TCS saw Agile and DevOps pull from the industry. It knew that it had to be prepared. But there are three specific problems. Number one is TCS had legacy roles, almost 140. Number of legacy projects, only 10% was agile. Rest of them were the massive portion is non-agile. Its internal processes, though their agility was better than the competition, it was not matching with its growth aspiration. So TCS further researched on agile and found out that most of the organization in the industry, they applied agile and DevOps within the IT department, especially for application development projects, not even for maintenance. It knew that the potential for agile and DevOps is not at a project level, beyond to IT and even beyond to the enterprise level.
Musthafa, hold on. What is Enterprise Agile, Musthafa?
So our CEO declared that we have to become enterprise agile company in 2017, and we had the same question. Many organization had that. What it meant was, as a company, whatever we do, not just the IT alone, not just the IT project alone, but the principles of Agile and DevOps must be applied. Their philosophy is so amicable to any work that we do, right from marketing to sales, research to production and compliance and whatnot. That is enterprise agile. So that's a bar that we set.
So considering Musthafa, we have 500,000 employees. Was it even possible?
Yeah, so it was just a portion of it, Tabrez. It was not a joke. 500,000 employees. We had to upgrade them. We also had to upgrade our infrastructure from non-collaborative, non-DevOps, non-agile workplace to very DevOps facilitating workplace. We have to transform our service delivery projects. Remember, 10% only is agile. So doing all of this within 3 years was definitely a challenge, but we went ahead. But the challenge at that point was, we have this vision and the dimensions. How do we move forward? There were 2 choices for us. One is the old way of working, phase-gated delivering to vanity measure. The second one is DevOps way of working, eat our own medicine, right? Apply it to Agile initiative, DevOps initiative itself. Flow, feedback, continued experiment. So we had to take a decision here.
So what does vanity measures here mean, sir?
Let's assume that we have taken the old way of working to do this work. We would have taken all of these dimensions together, right? Workforce, workplace, all of them together. And we would have done a huge data crunching analysis across the company. We would have done a huge planning for all of them together. And it will move through those phase gates: analysis, planning, design, and every stage when we cross, we will mark that we are 25% complete. But realistically, we have not created a single value for anybody. Nobody has consumed our outcome. That is still an analysis design phase. So delivering to this 25% complete, 50% complete is a vanity measure, Tabrez. But we chose the DevOps way of working, where we looked at all of it, right? Workforce, workplace, and then we looked at what is that minimal thing that we can do so that it can be end to end and it can create value. So we narrowed down to an aspect called role transformation, because we had upgrade. Remember 114 roles? And within that, we looked at the most threatened role, which was manual testers. We had 7,000 manual testers on our payroll. We knew that they will not survive in the digital agile DevOps world. And where are they? Most of them are in North American region, and they're in the service unit assurance. So go to smallest level, pick up this non-value adding role, and then work on it to upgrade, right? So the first part is flow, second part is feedback. Deploy them, upgrade them on the ground, and deploy them to project, and see the improvement there. Listen to the feedback. Then eventually, what kind of value they're bringing back, right? Is the customer satisfaction improving? Are they doing better than how they were doing earlier? So that's a continual experimentation and the pivoting. So overall, we were able to do this minimal viable product of upgrading our manual testers to quality engineers just within 4 months. We had moved them up in their career as well as for TCS to be future fit in terms of its roles.
Musthafa, what are the other MVPs we did?
This gave a lot of confidence to us, Mani, that first MVP. Then we knew that there were other roles that we had to work on. So we took up roles such as project managers, middleware developers, and upgraded them to a modern future fit roles. Those were our subsequent MVPs.
Musthafa, every organization does roles transformation, but it not necessarily means